So let's say what you want to do is invite particular users to your website so that they can actually go ahead and view your website. So in that case, you can go around onto users right here from your dashboard and then go to add new user. So now what you can do is give a role for that particular user. For example, let's say for example, they are editors, so they have editing privileges. So now over here, you can simply go ahead and type in their email address. So I'm just going to go around and say YouTube channel 2@gmail.com right here, just like this. So this is what you have, as you can see, and I'm just going to go ahead and say, please accept my invite to edit my page right here, just like this, and send an invite right here, just like this. So this is what you have. So I have invited this particular user. I can also go ahead and then, let's say for example, add another team member as well. Let's give the author the role of a contributor right here, and then I'm going to go around and say to channel 3@gmail.com right here, just like this. So once I go ahead and do that, I can go ahead and invite the member just like this as well. So this is what you have, and there's 2 pending invites, as you can see right here. So if I were to go around onto the user section right here, so let's just go around onto user, then you can see that this is what you have. It says I have 2 pending invites, and I can view all, and you can see that this is what you have. So now what actually happens is that the person that you invite actually receives an email like this. It says new invite, and YouTube channel has invited you to contribute to sample. So they will need to accept the invitation, and then simply what happens is that they can create an account. So you can see that if they don't already have an account, they'll be prompted to create it like this, and then they will be able to edit the contents of your particular site, of which you have given permission of. So you can see that it is loading, and new account for this particular user has been created. So there's YouTube channel 3 on my other browser, as you can see, and now they will be able to access out your post depending on the privilege that you have given right here as a contributor or editor or author and so forth, and will be able to make changes, make new posts onto your website, just like that. So that is how you can invite out users to your site inside of wordpress.com. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.